Do you know why your ignition coils keeps failing? Well, today I'm going to show you why. I'm Kelvin Auto Insider, and remember to subscribe for more. Well, ignition coils can fail for several reasons. 1. Heat. Excessive heat from the engine can degrade the insulation inside the coil, leading to failure. Coils are often located near heat sources, and prolonged exposure can cause overheating. Number 2. Electrical issues. Voltage spikes or irregularities in the
Atumeza
electrical
unasema inarudi
system can
bado
damage the coil. Poor
ikiwa ni
wiring or a faulty battery can
unajua
contribute to
tumesema
this.
tumebet
Number
tukasema
3.
tukigurumu
Moisture.
mgeka
Water intrusion from rain or washing the engine can cause short circuits or corrosion, affecting the coil's performance. Number 4. Age and wear. Like any component, ignition coils can wear out over time. They may lose efficiency, leading to misfires or failure to produce a spark. Number 5. Faulty components. Other engine parts, such as spark plugs or wiring, can cause excessive strain on the ignition coils,
zinaenda
leading to premature failure.
inaenda inaenda